If you're looking on how to get stacked modded accounts for GTA 5 Online for Xbox, PlayStation, and PC, make sure you check out Messy Modding. If you want to know more about it, stay to the end of the video or skip to the end. Yo, what is up guys? Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. If you guys do want to know how to get these amazing modded crew colors, make sure you do go and stay to the end of the video and don't skip out, because these are some of the rarest and best modded crew colors you can go ahead and get in GTA 5 Online. Now before the video does start, if you can go and do me one quick favor, if you are new to the channel and this is your first time here, make sure you do go and hit that subscribe button with notifications on, because I do post GTA 5 mod outfits, GTA glitches, and money methods to making millions of dollars, and I also do go live with subscribers hosting car meets. So if you do want to join up on any one of those, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications on to never miss out. If you can go ahead and just drop a like, I would greatly appreciate it. It supports me out a whole lot. And now let's go ahead and get into these top 5 modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online. So let's get it. Now before we do start, I'm going to show you guys how to get these modded crew colors. To start off, all you want to do is head over to the social club website right here. Link is going to be down in the description, or you can just go and type out that link you see right there. Once on the social club website, all you want to do is go ahead and pretty much log into your account and then come over to the crew tab right here and then press my crews. Now as you guys can see, I already have the maximum of 5 crews. These are all my crews right here, so I won't be able to get the option that says join or create a crew, but for you, you might be able to see it. So pretty much all you want to do is go and create your own crew, and once you go and create your own crew, you pretty much go and click on the new crew that you just created yourself. If you come over here to the right, you should see these 3 dots right here, and pretty much you click on it and then press edit crew. Now if you do not see these 3 dots right here, it's because you do not own the crew, or you're not the leader of the crew. So pretty much, as you said, to fix that problem, all you want to do is go and create your own crew. Once you go and see those 3 dots, press on edit crew, and then you should see this right here that says crew color. Now, as you guys can see, I got this like random colors right here. This is how you go and change your crew if you want a regular crew color. If you want a modded crew color, pay attention, because I'm going to show you guys how to get these modded paint jobs. So these regular crew colors, they're not modded. If you want a modded, you want to go and right click on the colors right here, press on inspect element, and then you should see these highlighted area. Now trust me, this looks confusing, but it's really easy. Come over to the highlighted area, you just scroll down just a little, and then you see this right here with a hashtag and a bunch of numbers on it. All you want to do is pretty much go and put in the codes you see in today's video that I'm going to be showing you. Pretty much put it in. Make sure you double check those the codes I show you in today's video are correct. Pretty much you just save the crew right here, and then once you get that check mark with the saved, you refresh the page, and now you got this transparent box right here where it says crew color. Now you can just close out of that right there, and you're pretty much done. If I come over to my crews, you can see the paint job has not changed to this modded purple, and if I come over to the edit crew, you should see it's still transparent, just like that. So that's how you go and get these modded crew colors in GTA, and as you can see, these are like just regular crew colors, not modded at all. So I hope you guys do enjoy today's video, and let's go ahead and get into these modded crew colors in GTA. So let's get it. Now the first and most asked for modded paint job I'm going to be showing you in today's video is going to be called Electric Ultramarine. Now I would say 90% of my cars have this modded paint job, and a lot of you guys have been asking me how to get it. So this is why I put it first, and this is it right here. So all you have to do is go and put the hex code you see up on the screen into your own crew, and you can get this exact modded paint job right here. If you want to go ahead and make it just look like mine from the previous videos, you can go and put on an ultra blue pearlescent to get it just like this. And when I mean a lot of people have been asking me, like I mean a lot, people have been messaging me on Discord, Instagram. Literally one guy messaged me on email asking on how to get this modded paint job right here. So that's how you go ahead and get it. Now if you do want to go and make it a 3D paint job, you can go and put on chrome for your primary and secondary, and then after you put on your chrome for your primary and secondary, come over to your primary, put on crew, and then come over to your secondary and put on crew again. And then if you come back to your primary again, all you gotta do is put on a pearlescent, and then this is how you get the 3D paint job, just for people that want to do. And you can do the same exact 3D paint job to all the other 4 other colors I'm going to be showing you later in this video if you do want to go ahead and get it. Also, this modded paint job I'm showing you in today's video, it is a 2-tone modded paint job. So what that means is, if it's in the light, it's a really bright pink, and if it's in the dark, it's a really dark blue, dark purple modded paint job. So here's an example of it right here. So this is the car right here. This is the modded paint job that a lot of you guys have been asking me, and one of my favorites. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how the modded paint job looks out on the streets. Now the second mod of paint job I'm going to be showing you on today's list is going to be Deep Violet. Now personally, this is one of my favorites out of the whole entire list, just because it looks very similar to the first one, and also this one is not a two-tone. So this is it right here. This is going to be Deep Violet, one of my favorite paint jobs out of the list. Now the reason why this one's my favorite and not the first one is because this one here is not a two-tone. This paint job is the same in daylight scenarios and nighttime scenarios, okay? And also, if you do want to make it look a little more better, you can go and put on Ultra Blue as your pearlescent. It looks really nice with this one right here. And as I said, if you don't like the pearlescents I put on, you can always select whichever other pearlescent that you want. Also, Race Yellow is a really good one as well because it gives the same vibes as LA Lakers, same colors and all that. But yeah, this is the mod of paint job right here. And also, if you do want to go and add the 3D paint job, as I said, all you gotta do is put on the chrome and then add on the crew and then add in a pearlescent, and then you get that dope, amazing looking mod crew color. So now here's some b-roll of how the car looks out on the streets. Now the next mod of paint job I'm going to be showing you is going to be Cobalt Blue. Now this one looks really amazing. It has like almost like an ultra blue pearlescent. So let me put it on real quick for you guys. So this is it right here, Cobalt Blue, one of my favorites out of the list right here as well. So I'll put this right here on my top 3 favorite out of the whole entire list. So yeah, this is it right here. Now as you can see, this one here looks really good, but if you want to make it a little more better, if you come over to your pearlescent, you can go and put on an ice white, which makes the paint job stand out a lot more. So let me put it on real quick, ice white for you guys right here. So this is it. As you can see, this makes it stand out a lot more better. Oh, hold on, this is the wrong one, ice white. Here we go. This is not, man. I don't mean a frost white. But yeah, if you don't like the ice white, you can go and put on any other pearlescent you like. Now another favorite one of mine for the pearlescents is lime green. Lime green looks really good with this cobalt blue right here. Look at it. It looks amazing. But yeah, race yellow is also another favorite one of mine right here. You can go and put on this vehicle. And if you want to put on that 3D chrome paint job, all you gotta do is put on the chrome first, crew color second, add a pearlescent, and then you got that dope looking amazing modern crew color or 3D paint job. And now here's some b-roll of how the paint job looks out on the streets. Now the next model paint job I'm going to be showing you is going to be Kombu Green. Now this one's one of the best ones if you are a JDM person, because this one just gives me like JDM vibes. You would probably see this on a JDM car in like IRL. Also, this paint job will look really good on military vehicles because it got like a military green theme to it, so it's really good. And also, if you put on an ice white on this, it just makes it stand out a lot more. But if you don't like ice white, you can put on any other one pearlescent you like. Or if you want to, you can go and put on a 3D paint job pearlescent. Now, red and Torino red look really nice on this one right here. So I don't know what you guys think about it for this trainer. I like it, but I feel like some other people might not actually like it. But yeah, as I said, you can put on any other pearlescents you like to this vehicle just to make it stand out a lot more. Orange is also really another good one. And if you do want to add that 3D paint job, all you have to do is pretty much put on chrome, crew color, then a pearlescent, and then you have that modded 3D paint job. And here's some b-roll of how the paint job looks out on the streets. Now the next model paint job I'm going to be showing you how to get is going to be Philippine Gold. Now this one's probably one of the best looking gold looking paint jobs, so I'll be showing you guys how to look. So come over to Resprays, primary color, put on your crew, and then this is it right here. So as you guys can see, it looks really good, but now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it look really nice. So let me just go and remove the paint job real quick. So all you want to do is pretty much come over here to your primary colors, come over to your metals, and all you want to do is go and put on gold, okay? So metals right here, and go and put on pure gold, which is going to be this one right here. If you want to put brushed gold, you can put that on, but pure gold is going to look a little more better, okay? Put the same thing for your secondary paint job as well. Make sure you put pure gold or brushed gold. All you want to do now is come over to your crews and go and put on your crew color now on top of the pure gold or brushed gold, and do the same thing for your primary and secondary. And now you got this amazing looking paint job right here. Almost looks like a really nice gold paint job to it. So you can kind of see the pure gold on the bottom. It gives it that shiny look. And if you want like a matte look, as I said, you can put on brushed gold. So this is it right here. So I'm going to show you guys some b-roll of how the paint job looks out on the streets. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys ended up getting any of these modded crew colors in GTA 5 Online, please let me know in the description which modded crew colors you end up getting. And if you are new to the channel and this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button with notifications on, because I'm trying to hit 72,000 subscribers by the end of this week. So if you can go and help me out, I would greatly appreciate it. So make sure you go and drop a like, supports out the video a whole lot. And Tiimedesign, sign out. Peace. If you're trying to get stacked modded accounts in GTA 5 Online for PlayStation, Xbox, and PC, and also be trustworthy, make sure you go and check out Nejisvoid, because they sell modded accounts for all platforms, for even on new gen consoles. So if you play on Series X, S, or PlayStation 5, you can also get modded accounts from them. And the best thing about them, I've worked with them previously in the past, and they even have 1,000 reviews on their website. So make sure you go and check out Nejisvoid down below in the description for the best modded accounts in GTA 5 Online for all platforms, and also with trust. So make sure you go and check out Nejisvoid down below in the description. And Tiimedesign, sign out. Peace.